The United Arab Emirates. It's one of the safest places on the planet. But our safety is only possible through the hard work of security personnel, police, and the welcoming, neighborly values of residents and locals alike. But what if we could make the Emirates even safer? At the moment, it's nearly impossible to identify everyone in a crowd, but crowd surveillance via drone-operated cameras can solve this classic problem. With drones, it's possible to secure even the most high-occupancy, high-profile events. Advanced optics and innovative software allow our drones to provide comprehensive crowd screening solutions. Using preemptive facial recognition technology, our drones can scan every face in a crowd. A live feed of this data is available to the security operatives in police headquarters. Camera images will immediately be checked against an international database, allowing police to identify any potential threats. Drones offer limitless potential for public and private safety. With security drones, you always have an eye in the sky. Together with UAE Drones for Good, we can help secure the future and safety of the United Arab Emirates, all while improving government services and bettering people's lives.